We're here today at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram located in Piqua, Ohio. I've got a 2017 Ram ProMaster cargo van. This is a high roof cargo van, 2017 model. It's only got a little over 15,000 miles on it. It's got the 3.6 Pentastar engine with the automatic transmission. Just your standard cargo van with the raised roof. Side sliding door that opens to get to your cargo area. Got plenty of room in here to do some shelving or any kind of thing. It does have a permanent bulkhead between the cab and the cargo area. Good shape all the way around. Tires are in great shape. Back doors open up, gives you access to load your cargo. Nice thing about the ProMaster is the doors do open all the way up, so it's easy to load cargo and take cargo out and not have doors in your way. These do set low to the ground, so as far as getting in and out, it's a pretty easy step up in. I believe here in this box we've got a trailer tow package that could be added to this. If somebody wanted it on, we could get with our service department and have that installed. Like I said, you got plenty of room in here as far as putting shelving in, different configurations that we have available. We've got plenty of upfitters that could help us out on doing some of the upfitting. The exterior condition is in excellent shape. Taking a look at the inside, I've got it equipped with the vinyl seating, which is great for a work truck. Vinyl floor. Just standard radio, air conditioning, power windows. Manual mirrors on this, and once again it's a 159-inch wheelbase 2500 Ram ProMaster cargo van. This cargo van is located at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. We have a very good selection of the commercial vehicles. If you see something, or if there's something that you don't see, we can always get things ordered in and possibly get you what you want. Don't hesitate to give us a call. We have a great selection of commercial vehicles. I've got 5,500 Rams coming in with service bodies on them. We've got the cargo vans, we've got the small city vans. Again, this is a 2017. For more information on this commercial vehicle or others, give Steve a call at 800-678-4188.